Crime scene photos and reaction to them were the focus of day 3 here in Delphi. Those crime scene photos enough to visibly shake the jurors and all of those inside the courtroom. The first to testify was a Carroll County Sheriff's detective who said he was the first law enforcement officer to the scene. He testified by saying no life-saving measures were performed on the girls because it was apparent that they were already dead. The next to take to the stand was an Indiana State Police crime scene investigator with 2 decades of experience. His main role was taking pictures of the crime scene. For more than 90 minutes, 42 photos were shown of the scene and the bodies of Abby and Libby. His cross-examination by the defense was a bit heated. One of the attorneys questioning repeatedly why there was no photo of the bullet at the scene. The bullet, of course, is one of the state's main pieces of evidence that they say ties Richard Allen to the crime. The next witness to take to the stand was another CSI with, again, more than 20 years of experience. He testified to being the investigator that located the bullet between the girls' bodies and was also responsible for taking photos of the crime scene. The third CSI to testify was an ISP investigator who didn't have as much experience as the first 2 CSIs, but said he was sort of the lead CSI on scene and was also responsible for taking photos of the girls' bodies. Again, while those photos were being shown, family audibly gasping at some of those pictures. After a brief sidebar conversation, the judge decided to stop testimony that day and begin again for trial day 4. That's expected to start at 9 a.m. Reporting in Carroll County, Caitlin Kendall, WRTV.
Today, the defense for Richard Allen filed a motion regarding this video and audio found on Libby German's phone. You see a man on the bridge and hear the phrase "down the hill." The defense wants to prohibit the prosecution from allowing witnesses to testify about what they believe they hear on the recording. The defense says if the recording is played in court, they want the jurors to decipher what is said for themselves and not be swayed by witness interpretation.